Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy crypto in Fidelity. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Fidelity account. Come to the top left, click on account and trade, and then hit here trade. Okay, and then click on this drop down and I want you to choose crypto as the option. So account will be Fidelity Crypto. You can go ahead and hit buy, choose your symbol. Let's say, Bitcoin, USD, right? Hit buy. You can choose whether you want a market or limit, and you just enter the dollar amount as well. Okay, let's do market $20, and then you can buy it. So preview your order. So you can see it will cost you $20, and then you can just go ahead and place that order. That's pretty much all you have to do, and you will be able to buy crypto on Fidelity. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.